Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nikheel Pansare and today we are going to discuss managing chronic hip pain. Living with chronic hip pain can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to alleviate discomfort and improve your quality of life. Let's start with lifestyle changes. Maintaining a healthy weight through diet and exercise can reduce stress on your hips and decrease pain. Low-impact exercises such as swimming and yoga can help strengthen the muscles around hip joint and improve flexibility. Stretching exercises targeted at hip muscles can also help relieve tension and reduce pain. In addition to physical activity, adopting ergonomic habits can minimize hip strain. Avoid sitting for a prolonged period and use supportive footwear. Ergonomic chairs and supportive footwear can provide additional support to your hips and promote proper alignment. Finally, don't underestimate the power of coping strategies. Meditation, relaxation techniques, and counseling can help manage stress and improve your mental well-being. Remember, chronic hip pain doesn't have to control your life. By making lifestyle changes and utilizing coping strategies, you can take control of your pain and live more comfortably. Thank you for watching, and if you are struggling with chronic hip pain and any other orthopedic concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care and I will see you soon.